Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a fitness business with Peloton, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start a fitness business with Peloton, begin by researching the brand and its offerings. Familiarize yourself with the various Peloton products, such as bikes and treadmills. Explore the Peloton app to understand the classes available and their unique features. Determine your target market by identifying the demographics you want to serve. Consider your niche within the fitness industry, whether it's group classes, personal training, or online coaching. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your services, pricing, and marketing strategy. Decide on the type of business model you will implement, whether it's in-person, virtual, or a hybrid approach. Ensure you have the necessary certifications to provide fitness coaching or training. Set up a dedicated space for your fitness business, whether in a studio, your home, or online. Invest in Peloton equipment if you plan to host classes or training sessions. Utilize the Peloton app to integrate workouts into your offerings. Develop a brand identity with a catchy name, logo, and online presence. Establish a website or a social media platform to promote your services. Utilize social media to engage with potential clients and build a community. Offer free introductory classes or promotional sessions to attract clients. Network with other fitness professionals and join local fitness groups for collaboration opportunities. Collect feedback from early clients to refine your offerings. Stay updated with industry trends and Peloton developments to remain competitive. Track your growth and financials regularly to ensure the sustainability of your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.